How to download and install Windows 11 for free. So let's get started. To snag the Windows 11 ISO file, browse to the Download Windows 11 web page and scroll down to the section that says Download Windows 11 Disk Image ISO and select Windows 11 from the drop-down menu. Now, choose the product language, click Confirm and then click the Download button to save the ISO file to your PC. Next, browse to the Rufus website, scroll down to the download section and click the link for the latest version of Rufus for your version of Windows. Run the downloaded X file to launch the program. No installation is required. Insert a USB stick into your PC and note that Rufus will completely reformat your USB drive with the Windows 11 installation files. At the Rufus window, click the Select button near the top and select the Windows 11 ISO file that you downloaded. Under Image option, confirm that the field says Standard Windows Installation. At the top of the screen, make sure the device field is pointing to the USB drive you wish to use. If not, click the drop-down menu and manually select the drive. You can leave the other settings alone, and when you are ready, click the Start button at the bottom of the window. After the setup is complete, you will be taken to the Windows 11 desktop. If you upgraded from Windows 10, make sure that all your files, apps and settings are intact so you can begin using the new version. If you are starting fresh with Windows 11, you can now install the apps you need and tweak the settings as you see fit. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.